This is the Ocean View tour of room 2242. So we were recording this during the midst of a downpour storm. So join us in our lovely oceanfront room. So as you come into the room, there's a very nice table with a lamp right as you walk in. Then to your right is the bathroom that does have sliding doors, which is really nice for privacy as well. If you turn back around, you have your door with locks, and then this is the fancy secrets box. And this is where all your room service will be delivered as long as that do not disturb light is on. As you can see, they cannot ring the doorbell and they will not bring your food inside. Then whenever you're done, you can put your drinks and food back in there and click tray collect on your little iPad that I'll show here in a little bit. And if we walk in here, you can see the very large jetted tub, which is just amazing. Be careful though, because it does overflow pretty fast. There is a double vanity. The shower is a rainfall shower, and then there's also a handheld portion. The toilet does have its own little separate door, which is very nice. These are all the amenities that were included in our room. You get 2 bars of soap, hand towels, there's a vanity kit, a sewing kit, there's mosquito spray, lotion, sunscreen, toothpaste, all kinds of, I think there's shoe polish, all kinds of good things, toothbrush and comb. And then in the shower, there is shampoo, conditioner, and body gel as well. And they will notice when you're running low and bring you more, or you can always ask your concierge or if you see your housekeeper for more as well. There is a actual knob in the bathroom that you can adjust to hear the TV as well, which is very nice at night. If you walk into the room, you can see the very large king bed. In the closet, there is a couple shelves and there's lots of hangers. You can always ask for more. There's an ironing board, umbrella that you can use throughout the trip, and a steamer. Then there's a safe for your passports, extra cash. The slippers you are able to take home with you, but the robes do need to stay in the room or else they will charge you as well. There's a little hook for purses. We put our robes there during the week. It's a very beautiful large room. Over here, there is plenty of storage, 6 drawers, and then that left side opens up. We also got snacks in our room and a bottle of rum. The building that we were in, ice was on the first floor. An espresso machine is included with waters. Then underneath is the mini fridge that is filled with soda, beer, juice, and also next to the fridge is a bottle opener, which is very nice if you are looking for that for your beer. And you can talk to your concierge if you want any other options. Over here you can see this is the iPad where you can order room service, check out what's going on in the resort, and also spa treatments, things of that nature. There is a step in this room, so please be careful when you are walking. There's a light that illuminates. There's also a switch that you can turn off that light, which was nice. We got a bottle of champagne and a bottle of wine in our room. There was a nice little writing desk as well. And as you can see, it is pouring rain out on our balcony, but we did have a very comfy couch and a little table with 2 chairs. And this is what the ocean view looks like. We could see both the ocean and the infinity pool on the edge there. But overall, it was a very nice room.